If you have landed on our channel for the first time, welcome. We started this channel a year back to share our passion of travel and capturing it through our drone.
नहीं रुको बंद करो.
Hi guys. So yes, welcome back to our new episode. Oh, sorry.
With time, we have started exploring the vlogging world along with our cinematic drone shots. And in this pursuit of offering you guys something new and pleasing all the time, we bring to you a unique town which we explored during our recent trip to South India, Rameshwaram. Rameshwaram is a town predominantly well known for its mythological importance. But what we experienced was way more than this. The entry to this town, or should we say island, is an engineering marvel in itself, famously known as the Pamban Bridge. It was built as early as the year 1914 and was the longest sea bridge of India, spanning across 2 kilometers until the Bandra Worli Sea Link was made. Up till 1988, this railway line was the only way to reach the island of Rameshwaram from the mainland. After which, a parallel highway was built to ease the commute for the pilgrims. This being a dated construction, the line is considered very delicate, and hence all the trains move with extreme caution and take at least 15 minutes to cover just this 2-kilometer distance. The best thing about this highway is it leads you 15 kilometers straight to the north gate of the temple. No need for Google Maps once you are on it. Blessed are we to have visited the southernmost Jyotirling and one of the major Char Dhams of India, Rameshwaram. Lord Ram, after being victorious in the mighty war of Ramayan, set foot on this island and worshipped Lord Shiva, after which the temple was built during the Pandya dynasty. This temple is known for its grand architecture and the vast area in which it is built. Geometrically, the area of the temple is in the shape of a square and it has an entry gate facing each of the 4 directions. The grandness of this temple is evident right from the outer corridor, which is known to be the longest one amongst all the temples in the world. Unfortunately, we won't be able to show you this marvel that we witnessed as the cameras were prohibited inside the temple. And after the temple, we drove on the last and the most unique road of India, Dhanushkodi. This 15-kilometer straight road has one of the most unique sights. It has the notorious Indian Ocean on one side and the ever so silent Bay of Bengal on the other. Historically, this place is where the Vanar Sena started making the Ram Setu to reach Lanka. And yes, the Sri Lankan border from this point is just 35 kilometers away. However, this place looks magical only when you're looking at it from a drone view. Otherwise, it's as good as standing on any other beach in the scorching heat. And this is true for the entire island of Rameshwaram. Though it is so rich in history, so unique in terms of its scenery, it is still not a preferred vacation spot and is just a pilgrimage site. That's it for this video, guys. We've had an amazing 2021. It provided us the much needed push to keep making videos, and we look forward to continue this in 2022 as well, wherein we already have some exciting new stuff planned for you. So please like, share and subscribe and keep motivating us to continue this further.